How y'all doing today? So today we're gonna keep moving on and keep trying out this little spoon or reach tool from Multi-Pick, and we're gonna try it out on this little disc lock that I found on the ground at a storage unit. So we're gonna use 1.3 mil top of keyway in the bottom, and let's see if it'll get it. Let's see. I got nothing binding, so I wonder if the core is set up. Only thing I don't like about these is the cores like to get hung. So let's try. Alright, there we go. Now we got some binding. Two, one. Did that go? Yeah, there we go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 4, maybe 3. Is this it? No. I hate these locks. These are my bane of my existence. Let's see. I ain't got nothing. 2. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say, hey, there it is. All right. Not too bad, not too bad. Starting out, I think this might become my favorite profile, y'all. Well, with that said, that's all I got. And a broken lock, maybe? There we go. All right. Y'all have a go.